Shawarma bread. Welcome to my channel. Let's make soft shawarma bread. Take a purpose flour in bowl. Take a hot water and add yeast and salt in it. Mixed well and leave 10 minutes. Now add egg and oil in purpose flour. Yogurt. Add yeast. Mixed well. Leave it 1 hour. Now we make a bread. Put in pan in low flame. Cooked both sides in low flame. Soft and tasty shawarma bread. Ready bread for to make a shawarma. Thanks for watching.